this is Manpreet. Today we are going to start with a story, a real life story, and you people have to guess whom I'm talking about. So there was a girl who was very shy and didn't have many friends when she was young. She grew up making up a dream of becoming a sports person, but eventually she went into fashion industry and modeling industry. As she got more and more recognized, she got more and more film offers. She was doing very well. She had a lot of film offers. Why not? She was very talented. But as usual, there was a phase where she had to face failure, where her 5 films constantly did not go well. But since she was a daughter of a sports person, she knew how to resiliate and bounce back. But once when she was on a professional high, something was sliding down. Like she felt pittish, she felt hollow, there was a void, there was confusion, she was directionless, she didn't know what was happening with her. But once, while talking to her mother, she broke down. Luckily, her mother realized that she was suffering from an indiscriminate psychological disorder and she was sent for medical professional help to a psychologist or a psychiatrist. There she was diagnosed with clinical disorder or clinical depression. She thought that counseling sessions with a professional was enough. But eventually, waking up was so hard for her. She was not able to concentrate on the shoots, on her movies, and thus she had to take medicines and proper treatment. And guess what? She was alright. She was mentally fit within 2 to 3 months. Today, she is a Hollywood star. India is one of the most highest paid actress. Time named her 100 most influential persons. And also, she won 3 Filmfare Awards. I know most of you have guessed that whom I am talking about. Yes, she is none other than Deepika Padukone. But my motive of the story was not all the encouragement of success, of career. No. Today, I want you to focus on a very major role of mental health that played in Deepika's life. Mental health is important to us is what we are going to talk about today. We'll start with what misconceptions do people have about definition of mental health. We people think that mental health is basically lack of any mental disorder or psychological disorder. लेकिन mental fitness उतना नहीं होता. We have to realize that your mental health is not a destination. It's a journey. It's about how you drive, not where you have to reach. For being mentally fit, you have to just not be free from psychological disorder. You have to be psychologically well. You have to have emotional well-being. You must know how to enjoy your life. You must know that how to resiliate, how to bounce back after a difficulty. You know how to form goals. You know how to aim at things. You know how to achieve goals. You know what are your emotions. You know how to control your behavior. That person is one whom we can call is mentally fit. Second, people think that those who are mentally fit basically are always happy. But that is not true. They also experience sad emotions और क्यों नहीं, because वो भी तो इंसान है, they are also humans. But those people who are mentally fit are aware of their emotions. Whether it is negative or it is positive, उनको पता है कि उनके emotions क्या हैं. They know how to deal with them, चाहे negative emotions हो, चाहे positive emotions हो. They know how to maintain productivity in both the cases, and they know when they have to seek medical help. Now, talking about why mental health is so important, why positive mental health is so important. Good mental health makes you resilient. You gain the ability to bounce back from a difficult situation. You have good learning skills, you have good memory skills, you have good decision making, you have rationalized thinking, and you have rationalized intelligence as well. You know how to find solutions to various problems. You are more focused, concentrated towards your goal and your work. Also, you are able to enjoy your life. You are able to cope up with negative emotions very well. A good mental health also means that you have good relationships. सोशल सोसाइटी के साथ, पर्सनल विद योर फैमिली, आपके रिलेटिव्स के साथ, पार्टनर्स के बीच में, कपल के बीच में, विद योर किड्स, विद योर पेरेंट्स, एंड प्रोफेशनल आपके काम के साथ, एट योर वर्क एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो यू हैव गुड रिलेशनशिप्स. Good mental health also means that you're good and effective at putting your point forward. You have good communication with others. You're able to understand other people. You are empathetic. You are self-confident. You have high self-esteem. It holistically means that healthy you, confident you, means you have to be mentally fit. If you are mentally fit, you are devoid of psychological disorders, but also of any physical illness. Make mental health your priority. It is important than your grades, then society, then opinions, then your business, then your work. It is the most important. Give yourself some care, some time, some attention you give to others, and see yourself bloom. Mental health is less dramatic than physical pain, but it is more common, it is more hard to bear than that. The frequent attempts to conceal the mental illness increases the emotional burden on you. We have created a society where it is easier to say that I have a hole in my heart than to say my heart is broken. So please spread awareness about the stigma, awareness to end the stigma, awareness to make mental health a global priority. And for that, it is important to understand that why positive mental health is important. Do share this video with your friends, with your family members, with your neighbors, and everyone you know. And also, more content on mental health is on your way, so do subscribe the channel. Do like and do comment why mental health is important for you, and I will take a few points in my next video. Remember that if you are not mentally fit, you cannot be physically fit. अगर आप मानसिक तौर से हार रहे हैं, तो आप शारीरिक तौर से कभी भी नहीं जीत सकते. If you haven't watched my earlier video on stigma of mental health, go watch it now. The link is in the description box. And don't forget to comment your views on importance of mental health. Till then, stay tuned. Stay healthy, be mentally fit, end the stigma, make mental health a global priority, share this with your friends, and till then, bye-bye.